This is our 9 by 32 inch Bridgeport vertical mill. It's a J-head, unique machine. It's 3/4 horsepower, 110/220 volt single phase from the factory. It's got a 0 max power feed on it. As I said, it's got a 9 by 32 inch table. It's an older machine. It's also a round overarm, but we're priced accordingly. Gonna run it for you now. First I'll bring on the power feed. Speeding it up, slowing down, changing direction, speeding up, down, bringing on the head. That is our 9 by 32 inch Bridgeport single phase milling machine. Thank you for watching.